These fully automatic H7 capsule sorter, independently R&D and manufactured by FS Focus Company, is specially designed for quality grading of halogen headlight capsules prior to assembly. Once the capsules are loaded onto the line,
they first undergo elastic tapping combined with resistance testing.
With faulty units accurately rejected and discharged automatically. Next comes lighting test plus full-dimension visual inspection. No subtle flaws escape detection. The equipment automatically sorts out defective capsules and classifies qualified ones into
defective capsules, Grade C capsules, Grade B capsules, Grade A capsules.
Graded capsules are then precisely picked and placed onto trays by robotic arms for discharge. Most importantly, this H7 capsule sorter can seamlessly integrate with our H7 assembly line. F's Focus delivering your one-stop, intelligent production line solution.